Hello everyone, I'm Professor Sudhir Vamne from Finolis Academy, Ratnagiri. Let's start with the presentation. In the first slide, you can see the time response of second order underdamped system in which you are getting some oscillations when you apply a unit step input. Here you can observe it requires some finite amount of time to reach its final time to settle down, which is called as settling time. I have also shown here rise time, peak time, delay time, and then peak overshoot. All these are a part of transient response. Now, if I want to achieve my required performance from a system, I need to design a controller. Here I have shown three controllers, respectively P, I, and D controller. Out of P means proportional, I integral, D derivative. Now, if I want to improve my transient response, that is, if I want to if I need less settling time, peak time, rise time, or overshoot, then I will go with the basically proportional and then derivative controller. Out of integral controller is used to reduce the steady state error, which is the part of steady state response. Out of all controllers, that is P, I, and D, have its own advantages as well as disadvantages. Out of proportional controller will reduce but never eliminate the steady state error. It reduces the steady state error but not to zero exactly. That is its advantage, but its disadvantage is that will increase the overshoot. And then integral controller, it will eliminate the steady state error to exactly zero value, which is its advantage, but as an adverse effect, it makes the transient response worst, which is disadvantage. And next is a derivative controller, which increases stability, reduces the overshoot. These are two advantages, but its disadvantage is what it makes the steady state response worst. So I have shown here table wise what is the effect of P, I, and D controller on rise time, overshoot, settling time, and then steady state error. Next is the PID controller. You can observe here. Here process is the plant which needs to be controlled, and I have taken here feedback, means this is the closed loop control system. Set point is the applied reference input, and accordingly proportional integral derivative controller will act.